In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fluid Engine on Squarespace 7.1. Let's dive right in and explore this fantastic tool for creating dynamic, visually appealing web designs. First, you'll need to log in to your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Here, look for the website option and click on it. This will take you straight to managing your site's content. Now, once you're on your website's main page, it's time to get into edit mode. On the page you wish to modify, find, and click the Edit button. This is where all the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the edit screen. A key feature here is the Fluid Engine section, designed to help you create complex layouts with ease. In the top left corner of this section, you'll notice the Add Block button. Clicking this opens a plethora of block options you can add to your design. Feel free to experiment with different blocks, whether it's text, images, or video. The choice is yours. Once you have your blocks, you can customize their placement by clicking and dragging them within the section's grid. And the grid is designed to give you the flexibility to arrange content in a way that best suits your design needs. Don't be afraid to move things around. Getting your layout just right is all about experimentation and creativity. Enhancing your design even further is possible by resizing these blocks. You can do this by clicking and dragging the edges or corners of a block. This feature allows you to adjust each element so that it fits perfectly into your overall design. One of the unique aspects of Squarespace's Fluid Engine is the ability to overlap blocks. This feature can bring a layered, dynamic look to your page, opening up a world of possibilities for creative design. After arranging your blocks, you might want to tweak the overall style of the section. Click the Edit section button located at the top right corner. This unlocks options for formatting the section, customizing the background with images or videos, and adjusting colors. These options enable you to tailor the section's visual elements precisely to your preferences. To enhance user experience, you can pin blocks. Pinning keeps them stationary as visitors scroll through other content. Simply click on a block and then select the pin icon from the toolbar. You'll have the choice to align the block to the top, center, or bottom of the section. Additionally, you have the option to hide certain blocks from appearing on either desktop or mobile views. This can be particularly useful for ensuring that your site runs smoothly and looks great across different devices. To manage this, locate the layers icon in the top left corner of the section while in edit mode. Clicking this opens a list of all your blocks. From here, you can click the eye icon next to any block to hide it. And there you have it, a complete guide to using the Fluid Engine on Squarespace 7.1. With these tools at your disposal, you can craft a website that's both functional and visually stunning. Thanks for watching.